Hi everybody, JB here. Today what I'm going to show you on my amazing model here is going to be how to work with a very beautiful soft nape line, which is very important as we know that a lot of clients in the salon like to work with softness rather than strength. So here, very simple, what I've done is keeping a longer area towards the front. All the rest of the head has been layered to create this nice type of head hugging feeling on the head. So what we are going to do is to complete our look today is to actually work within the neck area and specifically why and how we're going to create this style. So here the idea is we're going to work with vertical section. Vertical section helps us to remove weight within a haircut. So what we are going to do is we are going to connect from the shorter area of the round layer, and then we are going to lift slightly our hands. So we're going to go from a shorter area towards a longer area. Now, as I want to create something quite even, I'm going to go from the center and I'm going to move towards the sides. So now for the cutting part. So I've previously pre-cut the hair slightly. It was a little bit too long. So sometimes when you got so much to cut, it's easier to pre-cut, so you make it easier for yourself. I've used sectioning clips on either side to start my vertical section. Now, how am I going to proceed that? Well, I'm going to bring the hair all the way up. I'm using the fine side of the comb here. I'm looking where is the length here of my layers. And from this part, I'm just going to go in and scoop out. So I go in with the inside of the blade and then I go towards the end here. And in that manner, what's going to happen is that when I bring the shape down, I've got this very nice, very beautiful soft area going down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete exactly the same going around the head from the center to the side and then from the center to the other side. It's very important to work as neatly as we can. I'm lifting the hair, always working and seeing what's happening on the underneath from my previous section, but always really controlling where the actual length is. So what I'm doing is I start with the inside and then I close my blade. It's almost like if we were doing some type of razoring effect. Now, you need to have good scissors when you do this, because if your scissors are not sharp, you might hurt your client. So it's very important that you check the sharpness of your shears. Now, this is what we can see here. This is what we have for the moment. Beautiful, very nice, very soft neck shape. So now, to refine the shape, I'm going to get into the blade and I'm going to just slowly slide through the hair. Slide through the hair. This is a very nice technique to work visually, removing all the excess of weight. So here is our finished result. So you've got this very beautiful softness that we were trying to achieve here on the nape. The idea was to show you a twist on a classical haircut, which is basically a very short round layer, a little bit longer towards the front, just to add a tiny bit more of versatility to the shape. But this is the key element of the haircut, is how to create almost a mullety type of shape, but something very suitable and that you can work every day into your salon haircuts. Guys, thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed. I'm JB Mazella from MMP Education, London. I am Goldwell. Thank you.